Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will be sharing my Mango Tres Leches cupcake recipe. For the ingredients, we need 1 1/8 cup cake flour, 1/2 tablespoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup granulated white sugar, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1/3 cup water, 3 pieces egg yolks, another 1/2 cup granulated white sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar, and 1/2 cup egg white. So, in your bowl, mix natin dito si egg yolk mixture. First, your cake flour. Then, the baking powder, salt, then the 1/2 cup granulated white sugar. Then, make a well at the center. You add your oil, water, and your egg yolks. Mix this one. Tapos, after mixing, set aside natin. In your mixer, whip your egg white first and your cream of tartar. Once frothy na si egg white, slowly add your sugar. Tapos, whip this one until stiff. Fold natin si merang sa egg yolk mixture. So, fold mo lang siya until wala nang traces ng egg white. Then, I have here gold na cupcake liner. Medyo matigas siya kasi later may ilalagay ako sa gitna. Use ice cream scooper pag-scoop ng mixture para mas mabilis. Bake natin to around 10 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So, while waiting sa cupcake na binibake, let's do the frosting and the tres leches. So, I have here na the mixture. This is actually 1:1:1 lang. So, 1 cup na all-purpose cream plus 1 cup milk plus 1 cup condensed milk. So, this is the tres leches mixture. And for the frosting, I'll be using Mona Lisa whipping cream. Whip na natin. Tapos, set aside after. So, once stiff na si whipping cream, lagay na natin siya sa piping bag with tip 2D. It's baked already. Lagyan na natin siya nung tres leches. Actually, you put the tres leches mixture 3 times. If medyo malamig na siya, you can put holes para mas mag-sip in yung tres leches or yung tatlong milk. After the milk, lagyan na natin ng whipped cream sa side. Lagyan natin ng mangoes. There you go, our tres leches cupcake recipe. Again, for the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!